What if you could create monthly passive income and also buy stock at a huge discount to the current price? Yeah, just bank the profits and eventually buy it on sale. Far too often, people are just okay buying at the current market price and they never look for a sale. And they would never think of collecting passive income prior to purchasing. In this video, I'm going to show you an option strategy that can be used to create monthly income and buy stock at a huge discount. Also, how to place a put option trade, showing a real example on the option trading platform. Hey guys, Darren here. We've got a great video for you here today. I want you to take a look at a strategy that allows you to collect monthly income as well as buy your favorite stock at a discount. I promise we're going to dig into some detailed option trading tips and tricks and in future videos as well. So if you haven't subscribed already, do that now. Also, be sure and download the free options workshop in the link below. It talks about the two main benefits of trading options over buying stocks. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial planner and I'm not recommending trades. Please do your own research, and if you're new or learning options, I recommend you start small. What is an option strategy that can be used to create monthly income and buy stock at a huge discount? Guys, we're talking about selling a put option. What is a put option? So let's start with the definition. A put option, or a put, is a contract giving the option buyer the right but not the obligation to sell or sell short a specified amount of an underlying security at a predetermined price within a specific time frame. This sounds exciting, right? This predetermined price at which the buyer of the put option can sell the underlying security is called the strike price. Now, this strategy of using options is used by big institutions, billionaire investors, and hedge funds. I think it's important that we understand all the different strategies and ways that the rich are getting richer. We can then have the tools to do the same and do better for ourselves while doing it safely. We want to be able to do it in any market and have a bag of tricks, arsenal, different tools, and different strategies for any market. So if you're ready, go ahead and hit that like button and let's begin. How do we sell a put option? All right, for today's strategy, we're going to take a look at how we can sell a put option to collect monthly income and buy stock at a discount. Now don't worry, we're going to go through everything in detail. Let's start by going to the Tastytrade platform. Tastytrade is one of the best brokerages for trading options. It's the one that I've used for many years, and they're the guys that developed the TOS, or Thinkorswim platform, and sold it to TD Ameritrade, which is now Schwab, and they still use it today. Tastytrade is even better. Right now, you can get cash back when you open an account. I'll put a link down below, and if you fund with at least $2,000, the channel does get a small fee, which really helps us out and helps create these videos, and we really appreciate it. You really need a couple thousand anyway, so you can place a few trades. Open your app, and on the trade page, punch in KRE in the upper left. Click on the chart symbol and look at the 1-year chart and see that KRE, which is a regional bank ETF, has been hit hard and is way down. I like KRE due to the fact that it's a large basket of regional banking stocks, so any one bank is not going to affect the entire ETF too much. Banks are also expected to do well coming out of a recession in a high interest rate environment. Click on the Trade tab and open up the option chains. I normally like to go out about 45 days to expiration to collect a good amount of premium. So we click to open the August chain at 50 DTE, or days to expiration. We click on the bid to sell the 38 strike and collect $1, which is $100, since one option contract controls 100 shares of stock. Switch to the curve mode and we see that our POP, or probability of profit, is 74%. What are the possible outcomes of selling a put? The stock price stays above the 38 short strike and the options expire worthless. In this case, we keep the entire $100 collected up front when we placed the trade. Now, we see that the buying power effect, which is BPEFF in the lower right, is 1327. This is the amount of money we need in our option trading account to sell this put option. However, we really should have at least $3,800 in our account in case we need to purchase the stock. You'll see that in a minute. Now, if the current $41.19 stock price stays above the 38 short strike price at expiration, then we keep the entire $100 collected up front when we place the trade. So think about it. We utilized $1,327 to place the trade and made $100 on that investment in just 50 days. That's a 7.5% return in 50 days, which is a 55% annualized ROI, return on investment. Much better than the S&P 500, right? So you can now do that every month and roll to the next if you're not assigned. Now, if the stock drops below the strike price and we are assigned, then this is what happens. Now, KRE's current stock price is $41.19. If the stock price drops down to the 38 short strike or below prior to the expiration date, then we can get assigned and be forced to buy the 100 shares of KRE at $38. This is where we need that $3,800. Since there are 100 shares at $38 each, that's not necessarily a bad thing. It's an 8% discount to the price that it's trading at today. A couple of key takeaways. We can collect monthly passive income every month in stocks that we like while waiting for a sale on the stock. We can normally do much better than the overall stock market when doing this every month. Once the stock does go on sale, we can buy the stock at a huge discount to the current stock price. I put a link down below for the free options workshop. Be sure and grab that. Remember to hit like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you're trading. Any questions that you have, I'll be sure and answer those. And look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Share the video with a friend.